Hello everyone, my name is Dion there from Pinky's Iron Doors. We're here to showcase our 72 by 96 air light with a mini arch on it. Alright guys, we're on our air light mini arch. Now we came up with the mini arch because we make regular arches and we make full arches and we make flat top doors. So we made all the different shapes, and then my brother came up with the shape and we decided to call it a mini arch because we didn't have any more names for an arch system that I don't know, whatever. Anyways, we're on the mini arch, air light. This door is black, frost glass. This door does come in different glass types and different colors. We do carry different glass types in stock, or we try to, and you can definitely get this door in different colors if you like. Key part, this is all of our air lights have a removable threshold. So this bottom piece could be removed if you want to use it for a wine cellar door, an interior door, or even a room divider, or a bedroom door, a dining room door, kitchen door, whatever you want to use it for, a storefront. So this allows you to have no interruptions in continuous flooring if you don't have the flooring go all the way in, or if there's an ADA compliant that you need to get to, that will allow you to get to AEA compliant also. This arch, I'm speechless on why I didn't think of this when I was doing my own house. But it's awesome. But this is a handmade arch, guys. So if you do see little imperfections here and there, know that it's hand bent. We can't use a machine on this. We try to, it just doesn't come out right. So we have to hand bend this thing, heat it up and hand bend these things. So you will see little imperfections here and there. Know that that's just in the manufacturing of these doors. They're all handmade. None of these doors are any way remotely have anything to do with machine making at all. It's all truly handmade. Even the glass gets all measured up by guys or people, and then we measure it and cut it to size and put it in. This door is a right-hand in-swing. So this door opens first, goes in to the right wall. That's a right-hand in-swing. A left-hand in-swing will be this door opening in to the left wall. These doors all of our air lights are 4 inches thick, jam size. You can get different sizes also, so just keep an eye out on that jam size. Some people like to install it towards the interior side of it and have a reveal in the stucco, which looks amazing. That's how I have it on my house. Some people want to center it on the wall. This gives you the capability of doing multiple things at the same time. This is dual glaze, 5/8 thick tempered glass. I know that I'm going to get asked on how easy it is to break into this door. Know that this is a glass door. If somebody really wanted to get in, they can. Obstacle there is 2 pieces of almost 1/4 inch thick glass, tempered. That's super challenging to break. And also, this is all metal, so if you try to pry, you're not going to be able to pry until you break the lock. Well, you're not going to be able to break the lock unless you cut this whole thing. But anyways, it's a process to get it through this door. Let's just put it that way. And hopefully the person breaking into your house has a little bit of brain cells and will probably try somebody else's house or somewhere else, a window or something else. But yeah, I know I'm going to get asked that a lot because of all the glass. But this is super cool. If you compare this to like a wood door or aluminum door, this size, to try to get this much glass out of it, you're going to have probably double or triple the size of the materials that we're using to hold this kind of glass in. But Different glass, I don't know if I told you guys, we can get this door different glass types, but all of our doors are pre-drilled, pre-tapped for the locks. We also fill it up with foam so it doesn't sound hollow, and it doesn't build up moisture inside the tubes over time and start rotting. But let me flip this around, show you guys what the other side looks like. All right guys, we're on the interior side of it. These are roller catches. We put these things on. Door shuts amazingly when you can actually adjust those things in and out as much as you want. We tap and drill all of our lock stuff so it's ready for you to go. You'll actually end up spending more time installing the lock than you will installing the door. At least that's with majority of our customers. Grease fittings. These are little nipples to pump grease into the hinge over time if you need to lubricate the hinges. This is a little tiny aluminum beveled glass bead that actually holds the glass in. That sandwiches the glass on the glass bite, and it's on the interior side, so that's what actually locks the glass in. What else? That's pretty much it. I think it's a super cool door. You guys will enjoy it. And know how much light will glow through this when the lights are on the interior side. This thing will just completely pop. We'll add a light right now. We'll show you guys on a video how it looks. But hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys on the next store. Thank you. Hey everyone, I hope you guys enjoyed our showcase on our Air Light today with the mini arch. If you guys have any questions, contact us, 844-843-6677. Or you can email us at info@pinkiesirondoors.com, or you can leave us some comments and we'll get back to you guys as soon as we can. Thank you guys.